Origimagic A2 Mini PC review. Desktop i9 power with VGA and Dual-LAN that replaces your tower. You're staring at a tangled mess of cables behind a bulky tower that's hogging half your desk. The fan sounds like a jet engine during a video call, and you just ran out of USB ports again mid-project on deadline. A small business owner told me he missed a client presentation because his aging desktop crashed during a routine software update. That was his breaking point entirely. Sound familiar at all? The frustration compounds quietly over weeks and months. You waste hours troubleshooting connection issues. Your legacy VGA monitor sits useless because new PCs dropped the port entirely. And that knot in your stomach tightens every time your overheating tower stutters during deadline crunches at the worst moment. One developer described his old setup as fighting the hardware instead of writing code. Draining and unnecessary, but there's a smarter path forward that eliminates the chaos. Then I discovered the Origimagic A2 Mini PC, a compact workstation powered by an Intel Core i9-13900HK with 14 cores, 20 threads, and boost speeds up to 5.4 gigahertz, packed into a chassis roughly the size of a thick paperback book that fits anywhere. Don't just pick any mini PC workstation. Make sure it has true multi-impedance connectivity with VGA, Dual-LAN, and 8 USB-A ports so you never experience legacy equipment incompatibility, port shortages, or network segmentation headaches again in your workflow. This machine ships with 32 gigabytes DDR5 RAM, expandable to 64 gigabytes, a 1 terabyte PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD with room for 2 additional drives, and quad display output through HDMI, DisplayPort, USB-C, and VGA simultaneously without adapters. Picture this: a finance professional was racing to prepare quarter-end reports across 4 monitors when his old tower froze completely mid-calculation. He switched to the Origimagic A2 mid-week, connected all 4 displays, including his legacy VGA panel, and finished ahead of schedule with 0 crashes or interruptions. The dual copper pipe cooling keeps everything whisper quiet, even under sustained heavy loads throughout long workdays. And here's something worth noting: the dual RJ45 Ethernet ports, one 2.5 gigabit and one 1 gigabit, let you run separate networks for security-sensitive business data without additional hardware or configuration complexity. After months of daily use, what stands out is how the Origimagic A2 quietly removes friction from every part of your workflow and never demands attention or maintenance. Applications launch instantly from the NVMe drive. Multitasking across 4 screens feels effortless with 32 gigabytes DDR5, and the compact form factor frees up genuine desk space that you actually notice and appreciate every single working day. A respected mini PC technology reviewer noted the Origimagic A2 posted benchmark scores genuinely competitive with mid-range desktop systems, impressive for something that fits in the palm of your hand, with port density that's unheard of in this class. A popular home lab content creator shared, "I'm running Proxmox with 6 containers, Plex transcoding, and a Pi-hole DNS server simultaneously. CPU utilization barely cracks 15% during normal operation, and the fan is quiet enough that my wife hasn't complained once about noise." Industry analysis confirms that compact workstation adoption among small businesses continues accelerating as organizations recognize the total cost advantages of lower power consumption, reduced desk footprint, and eliminated USB hub clutter entirely. Real users across manufacturing, software development, and trading consistently report 0 reliability issues after months of continuous daily operation without interruption. Yes, the brand is newer than established names in the market, but the 2-year warranty with 24-hour customer support and the proven Intel i9 platform provide genuine reassurance that you're not taking a gamble on unproven hardware at all. The difference is not theoretical, it's immediate. What matters most for your workspace? Raw processing power, legacy compatibility, or whisper quiet operation? The Origimagic A2 Mini PC is quickly becoming the workstation of choice for professionals, developers, and business owners who need desktop-grade i9 performance, quad display capability, and industrial connectivity in a whisper-quiet, compact form factor that replaces bulky towers entirely from their workspace. Join the growing community already simplifying their setups and reclaiming their desk space with results that speak for themselves every single day. Results may vary based on your specific workload and configuration used. If you're ready to experience what a truly modern workstation feels like, check the link in the description and see the difference for yourself today. Your desk deserves this.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.